Pay yourself first before spending. 2. Set clear financial goals, short, mid, and long term. 3. Live below your means, not below your potential. 4. Save before you invest. Build an emergency fund first. 5. Track every rupee divided by dollar you earn and spend. 6. Stop comparing your money journey with others. 7. Understand the difference between saving and investing. 8. Learn basic financial literacy before chasing trends. 9. Invest for freedom, not for luxury. 10. Remember, wealth grows with patience, not luck. 11. Diversify. Don't rely on a single investment type. 12. Focus on long-term compounding, not quick profits. 13. Invest consistently, monthly or quarterly. 14. Reinvest your dividends instead of spending them. 15. Avoid emotional investing. Don't buy in panic or greed. 16. Use index funds or ETFs for stable long-term growth. 17. Research every investment yourself. Never blindly follow advice. 18. Keep a mix of high and low-risk assets. 19. Review your portfolio once or twice a year. 20. Always have a clear reason for every investment decision. 21. Automate your investments to stay consistent. 22. Set target percentages for each asset class. 23. Take advantage of employer retirement plans, if available. 24. Invest extra income or bonuses instead of spending all of it. 25. Avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. 26. Have multiple income streams, not just one salary. 27. Learn basic tax planning to save legally. 28. Invest in your health. Medical bills can destroy savings. 29. Prioritize skill development. Knowledge compounds too. 30. Learn from financial mistakes without quitting. 31. Ensure your life, health, and major assets. 32. Don't borrow to invest. Debt magnifies losses. 33. Keep short-term money in low-risk instruments. 34. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. They cost more than they promise. 35. Keep a written investment plan or journal. 36. Understand market cycles. Don't fear corrections. 37. Protect your data and accounts with strong passwords. 38. Avoid investing under emotional stress or pressure. 39. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. 40. Learn how inflation impacts your returns. 41. Read at least one finance or investing book per month. 42. Follow credible investors, not social media hype. 43. Stay updated with global financial trends. 44. Learn from both successful and failed investors. 45. Experiment with small investments before going big. 46. Track your net worth growth quarterly. 47. Set yearly financial improvement goals. 48. Teach others about investing. It strengthens your knowledge. 49. Celebrate small wins in your financial journey. 50. Stay patient. Compounding takes time, but it always works.